What's going on, ladies and gents? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, KetoBrick.com.
And it's going to be a great day. We're doing a Keto Savage kitchen. It's been a while since we've done one. And I'm low on calories, low on macros, in depth of a prep, and hungry. And I can't eat any of this. But Crystal's going to eat it all, and I'm sure it's going to be delicious. This recipe is a Keto Brick recipe and is inspired and made by Joe at Keto Culinary Stuff on Instagram. Check him out. It's a mug cake, correct?
Yep, a peanut butter keto brick mug cake. I've seen other people do mug cakes with the keto brick on top, but I've never seen someone actually put it inside of their mug cake. So I'm pretty excited about this.
By the way, let us know what you think of our new studio setup.
Yeah.
How was the audio? How is the picture quality? How is all that stuff? Let us know in the comments below. So, what we got, babe? What are the macros on this thing?
So, I'm going to tell you guys the macros first, then we'll tell you what's in it.
Let me tell the macros. You tell them what's in it.
All right.
So, what's in it? We got 355 calories. We got 31.45 grams of fat, 5.45 grams of total carbs, and 12.7 grams of protein. And we got...
That's for the whole mug cake.
Whole mug cake.
All right. So, we have 15 grams of peanut butter keto brick, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of almond flour. In that is a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then he suggested 10 drops of monk fruit, but we have the stevia leaf stuff, so we're going to use this. He did also say that you can use a granular monk fruit or whatever else you want, but this is what we have on hand, and it's liquid. This is what we're going to use.
And you have to have a coffee cup or a mug for this mug cake. Don't forget to be awesome. Boom. There's a story behind that cup.
Every time someone's around and he's drinking out of this, he always says that. There's a story behind that cup.
Maybe sometime you'll hear. All right, what we got, babe?
So, honestly, this is going to be the easiest thing ever. You're going to put all these into a mug.
Boom.
Boom. But first, I'm actually going to go ahead and take this keto brick and I'm going to melt it down a little bit because it's going to make it a lot easier to blend together. So, microwave it goes.
Not for very long.
Yeah, probably like 10 seconds. Alright, so that was in there for about 15 seconds. It's not fully melted, but it's pretty good. So I'm going to add in the... Actually, I'm going to add in the heavy cream first.
Heavy cream first. Can I stir?
Sure.
You're going to want to stir everything together. Ooh, that smells and looks good.
Yeah, it does look really good. I'm going to just go ahead and crack the egg in there.
Looking like there.
And I'll just try and... Is that good, you think?
A couple chunks. We don't want any chunks, do we? Maybe you should melt it a little bit longer.
I think it's because the heavy creaming egg is cold.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'm going to add this. That looks good.
This is not the easiest thing to do when you're in a contest prep and you just want to eat.
I can't even feel bad though because we made Keto Savage kitchen recipes every single week I was in my prep.
This looks like mustard.
It does look like mustard.
Doesn't taste like mustard, I bet.
He did mention that this is of course, being keto, a lot of people don't really like to have a ton of sweetener because everything is extra sweet to us. So if you guys like things extra sweet, or maybe you haven't really gotten fully into ketosis, or haven't really fully left out a bunch of sweeteners, then you can add more than 10 drops of this. We're gonna do just 10 drops because I don't really need things super, super sweet, so I'm just gonna do what he said.
Boom. This one little chunk's not gonna melt, but I think that'll be like a surprise bite whenever you get it.
Such a good surprise.
So now what, just microwave it?
Microwave it, he said, for 60 seconds or until it's solid. So
60 seconds? You wanna lick the spoon for it?
no, I don't do raw egg.
No raw egg. Alright, so microwave for 60 seconds.
Yeah.
Alright, so it was in the microwave for
60 seconds.
60 seconds. It looks pretty delish. I don't know if you can see that really, but it looks pretty good.
Yeah, you can pop it out.
It smells amazing.
It does smell really good. You can like pop it out. Let's see if I can. Yep. Or you can keep it in there. I'm gonna keep it in there because I still have to eat it.
Yes, and you can put like whipped cream or whatever you want on top.
Cream,
obviously, it's like
berries.
any other mug cake.
You can melt more of the chocolate peanut butter on top, or like butter, or anything like that.
All right. Well, we'll go ahead and dive in and give it a shot.
Okay.
Tell me how good it is.
Oh, I will. Wow, I didn't think 60 seconds was gonna be long enough, but it's like the perfect consistency and like moistness.
It's the brick. You just kiss it.
No, I was making sure it wasn't too hot. It smells good.
It does smell good.
That is
Pretty good.
delicious.
Pass the test.
And honestly, I am not much of a mug cake person. Okay. He's eating it with his smeller.
It's weird when you're in a prep, you just like, you take the time to smell things before you eat it.
He really does, though.
Yeah, like you want to just get every little piece of the puzzle. Pretty good though?
Mm-hmm.
How's it compare to other mug cakes?
That is actually, like, phenomenal. Like, I don't like mug cakes, and I don't really like sweet things, but this is not, like, super sweet. It's, like, the consistency. I haven't had this consistency in years.
Can I just, like, cut it?
It's not, like, spongy. It's, like, delicious.
Yeah, most mug cakes I don't really have much luck with because they're, like
They're, like,
super spongy. But just, like, cutting into that, it's, like, bread texture.
Yeah, it's like a hot cake. Oh, stop! You're being weird. But it is delicious. I am actually really surprised. I'm just gonna keep going for it.
And I don't want to come across like, oh, our mug cake is better than yours, yada yada yada. Mug cake's a mug cake, but
also we didn't come up with this recipe, so
yeah.
If anyone's awesome, it's Joe.
Yeah, but that does cut differently.
It does.
Look different and smell different than any mug cake I've ever seen. So, peanut butter brick mug cake for the win. All right, y'all. Thank you, Joe. Check him out. This is going to be on the Keto Brick website, ketobrick.com, for the recipe of this, along with several other Keto Brick specific recipes. And someday after my prep, I'll make it myself. So
I'll make it for his post-show.
There you go. There
meal.
you go. We love y'all. We'll see you soon. And get ready for some more Keto Savage Kitchen episodes in the near future. Even though I can't eat, I'm excited to like start cooking again, so I'll make things for her to eat.
Yeah. Also, remember to tell us what you like, if you like our setup, how you like the sound, how you like the video quality, all that kind of stuff, because we are trying to make it a little bit better for you guys. So just let us know.
Let us know. Adios.